be an effective public speaker. Public speaking is an essential skill to improve on in almost every aspect of life. Whether you are a trainer, public servant, business owner, or team leader, it can help you deliver memorable speeches and gain popularity for yourself and your organization, increasing your trustworthiness and overall communication score. You might use this skill in a special party, organized events, or even in a meeting with potential buyers, investors, or customers. The ability to express your thoughts in a clear, concise, and convincing manner makes a remarkable difference. So let's take a look at how you can become an expert in public speaking, and excel in your own field or line of work. 1. Tell a story. The human mind is naturally wired for story. You can tell stories and use visual effects to hook with your audience's emotions. But keep it short and simple, easy to relate with, and connect to a point of view. Oftentimes, personal stories are the best because they are more credible and inspiring. 2. Connect and engage. Build a connection with your audience, reach them with an impact. Speak to people in different parts of the room. This will make them feel free and welcome to express their thoughts about the topic. Speak to each person with potential concerns. This way you can assure that your audience is engaged. The more you make the presentation entertaining, the more it will be empowering and inspirational. 3. Gestures and tone matters. Do your body language and vocal cues gain reactions from your audience? The way you move and express yourself can create a great reaction. It's either to make your audience laugh, cry, or feel mad at something. But of course, you don't want them to get bored or fall asleep. Use open body language and practice to make your tone relatively help dictate the audience's emotional response to your talk. 4. Speak from the heart. I know it sounds simple, but the best public speakers, even in a humorous talk, speak about something that can move the beast inside you. Something personal, like a story that moves your inner self as a person while you speak. Stories that move you will also move audiences to connect to your topic and create an absolute emotional appeal. 5. Utilize 5 senses. Great speakers connect and engage with their audience using their 5 senses. First is sight, make direct eye contact with as many audience individuals. Second is hearing, play music at the start and end to energize. The third is thought, start your presentation with a question to get the audience contemplating before the topic begins. Fourth, speech, make sure to use words that are simple and easy to understand on a layman's term. Fifth is touch, shake hands with participant individuals and greet people at the doors. 6. Fail forward. If you are constantly trying not to fail, you'll never succeed. You can't be perfect by just a few trial and error attempts. Take more chances to achieve your goals of reaching your audience and sharing your ideas. Learn from your mistakes and grow from your errors. 7. Face your fear. Public speaking is pretty much intimidating, but you can overcome your fear through familiarity. Get early access to the venue and stand in each corner of the stage. Sit in the audience's seats to see where you'll be seen from all angles, and take some practice with your speech on the presentation area to feel much more comfortable with the place. On the day of your talk, turn your audience into advocates by meeting and shaking hands with as many people as possible before your speech. 8. Be an expert. To excel at public speaking, one needs to become a true expert in a given field or topic. Determine your area of interest and immerse yourself in relevant research. Follow some industry leaders to stay on top of the latest trends. Breathe your area of interest in order to share that passion and knowledge with others. 9. Start easy. Begin your journey with small talk. It could be in the grocery line, at small meetings, kids' events, church, or anywhere you feel comfortable. Think about how you can speak about your ideas with passion and enthusiasm, because that is how you need to speak. When you have a story to share, and you capture with your natural passion and energy, the rest will follow. Start easy by just doing it. 10. Be clear with your goal. Before you start doing all that is being said, you should first know exactly what you want to achieve. Being clear with your goal will make your path to a great presentation much more precise and interesting. In every life's challenges, results vary depending on how things collaborate from one to another. And no matter how results drive you, believe in yourself that you will succeed in due time. Remember, as always, be yourself, be you.